back to Miss Ronnie's kitchen. This week we're going to learn something different. So first of all, we need to wash our hands.
Roll up your sleeves, give your hands a wash with slippy dippy soap. Splish, splash, splosh, have you done your hands? Washed and dried, sleeves rolled up, apron tied. What can you do? I can cook!
So has everybody washed up? Right, the ingredients we need today is white or brown pitta, some white cheese, orange cheese, some tinned tomatoes, some tomato puree, some tomatoes, peppers, and you'll need to grate your cheese, so get an adult to help you. And we've also got some pepperoni. So if you've got anything in the fridge like ham, pineapple, that's my favourite, ham and pineapple. You can put anything on it really, but we like peppers, tomato, pepperoni. So should we give it a go? So open your pizza. Kevin's watching from the front and the back. And we've got 6 of these. One for Thomas, Samantha, John Paul, Mum and Dad. So you need your tomato and you will need your tomato puree. So take a big giant spoonful and mix it with your tomatoes. Just makes it a bit thicker. And add some mixed herbs. This is what I use at school when we're making pizzas. So I put mixed herbs in. I also put in some garlic. These don't all know what's in this special sauce. So just mix it all together like that. And that's got tomatoes, tomato puree and mixed herbs in. So you get a spoon and spoon it on your bit of bread and give it a right good splashing and just use it all up. And then just spread it all over like that. Just so it's all pasted on. It's like painting. Now remember, you can put any topping on that you want, whatever you like. What's your favourite pizza topping? Mine is cheese and pineapple and a bit of ham on. Right, so that's that. Thomas is going to wash up the dishes with John Paul. So I've got 2 cheeses because I like to have 2 different cheeses because one's stronger than the other. So put a little bit of white cheese on. It just looks nice in the colour as well. And at school we have both cheeses on. And be nice and generous with the cheese. Try and cover the whole base with cheese and just spread it out a bit. And then for your toppings you can have anything you like. So we'll do that with some more tomato on. We'll do this one with some peppers. I like peppers. I like all colours of peppers. And everybody likes pepperoni, don't you? Everybody at school likes pepperoni. There we are. So we'll need an oven tray. Move them out of the way. Now these don't take too long in the oven. Just when it's all melted, we need another one. Once it's it's all melted and looks delicious, they're ready. I would say probably 10 minutes. So these are ready to go in the oven. Can you make sure an adult helps you with this because it's really hot and I don't want you burning yourselves, okay? Alexa, set my alarm for the pizza for 10 minutes.
Pizza timer, 10 minutes, starting now.
Hi everybody, I'm really missing you, especially Year 6 and missing everybody in Breakfast Club, having breakfast with you every morning. It's really good to hear that you're working hard, and all the teachers said that you're doing really well on Seesaw with all your homework and everything. It's great to see what you've been up to on Facebook with all your crafts and your cards and your baking, so keep that up. Just remember, be good for your mums and dads and your carers at home, and we'll hopefully be back at school really soon. So take care in the meantime, lots of love. Bye!
Hello everyone, quick message from Miss Peascod. I hope you're all okay, and it's been so nice to see all the good work that you've been doing. I hope you're enjoying Miss Ronnie's cooking because I know that I am, and I'm missing you all so much, and I hope we're back together soon. Bye!
Oh, that was lovely message, thank you. I miss you so much. Right, for our second part of today, we're going to make a little snack. Now this snack can be for any time of the day, just a little snack. So you need an adult to help you. So we need to cut the crusts off the bread, like that, all 4 sides. And what shape do you think it's going to be? Now you can keep this bread and make breadcrumbs with it for something at home. So it makes that shape. And we've got some spread, and this is just a caramel spread. But you can use any kind of spread that you've got in the house. Nutella or anything really. So you put quite a bit on. Like that, and spread it all over. Then you get your other slice of bread and fix them together. Then you get a fork and you just press down right along the edges like that, and that just compacts the two of them together, just holds them into place. And then you put them on a plate. You can wrap them up in cling film and have them any time of the day. So we'll do this after the pizza and I'll show you what they look like. Now we've also got a special message today for my 2 work friends, Mrs Miller and Mrs Attenborough. We're not with you this week and it's your special birthdays, so happy birthday from all of us. We love you loads and we miss you loads. Over, Kevin. Can you guess what my favourite pizza is? Is it pepperoni, peppers, chicken and sweet corn, or ham and pineapple? Shout out your answer. Yes, you're right. It was ham and pineapple. What's your favourite pizza?
Your pizza timer is up.
Right, these are ready now, look at them. So that's your peppers, pepperoni, tomato, pepperoni and 2 cheesies. Again, you'll need a grown-up to help you. I'm going to cut these in half. And there we have it, pizza pizzas. They don't take too long and they're lovely. Alexa, make an announcement.
What's the announcement?
Dinner's ready.
Announcing.
Dinner's ready. Right, we made this before. We cut off the bread and we put some chocolate spread in. So then you pop it in the toaster and then just wait for a pop. So once it's popped, just cut it in half. And there you have it, a lovely chocolatey sandwich. Well, I'm going to wash all the dishes now. Thanks for coming. See you soon. Bye.